Hello, in front of me I've got MIO MiVue. In this video we'll check if this dashcam has voice setup. In order to check if this dashcam supports voice commands, simply let's try few commands. For example, take photo, record video, record emergency video, save video, microphone on. Unfortunately, the camera does not react to any commands. Also, according to user manual, there is no mention about any commands we can use. So, the most possible outcome is that this camera does not support voice commands. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.